Hold it up.
Isn't that so pretty?
That is pretty. You should get it for your door.
Oh, it's really pretty.
I really like the little fairy things. I don't know what to do with them. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sydney. Today I'm going to be doing an awesome Dollar Tree haul for you guys. I've got some great things for spring. I love doing these videos, and apparently you guys do too, because I got a ton of response from my last Dollar Tree haul, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I have today. Before I go into that, I just want to show you this awesome, it's like a lip balm that came in my Birchbox last month. It's Aero Boost Color Enhancing Lip Balm. I just grabbed it really quick because I needed like some chapstick, and I'll show it to you. It's like this purple color, and then you put it on, and whenever you put it on your lips, it like changes color to like enhance your natural lip color, which I thought was pretty awesome. I hate wearing like lip colors. Like, I don't wear lip color. I don't like the way it feels. I just don't like it. This feels like a chapstick, and then it also like enhances your natural lip color. So I thought that was pretty awesome, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Pretty random, but just one of my favorite products that I got in Birchbox last month. Anyway, I'm gonna get into the haul. If you are new to my channel, I welcome you. I encourage you to subscribe. I try to post videos several times a week. I love Dollar Tree, I love thrifting, I love shopping. All kinds of stuff that I post to my channel, so please subscribe if you're new, and if you like these types of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So without further ado, I'm going to go into the haul. I went to Dollar Tree, and they had some stuff that I've been seeing other people haul, and I'm really excited that they finally got the stuff at my Dollar Tree. Don't really know why it took them so long, but anyway, I finally found this cute little like a galvanized metal planter. It's the long one. It's super cute. It's got like, it's like a steel color, and it's got the black lettering on it. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use this for flowers yet, or if I'm just going to use it for like a storage container, but I thought this was super cute for $1. They also have this one, the bucket. This is really cute. I love it. However, I will warn you, pay close attention to when you're picking out these, because if you just like grab one like I did, what's crazy is that it was even in a plastic wrapper when I picked it up. They hadn't taken them out of the wrappers. So this side looks fine. This side, however, is missing. So just be really careful when you're like picking out things at Dollar Tree, especially if it's for decor, which I don't really mind because you can just turn it around and this side's fine. But like when I first saw it, I kind of thought this was the only side and that I had gotten like a ruined one. But just be really careful when you're picking out stuff at Dollar Tree. These I had in one of my last haul videos that I did. I think it was the last one. But they're these buy drinks, and I drank all of them, and they are absolutely delicious. If you don't know what they are, they're like, kind of like they're made from white tea and coffee fruit extract. So this one is the Rioja root beer. They also have ginger ale, cola, and cream soda flavors, and they actually taste like what they say they taste like. They're really, really good. They do have caffeine in them, which I like, so if you don't like caffeine, it's not for you. They do have caffeine in them. They're only 5 calories. They don't have any sugar, 10 milligrams of sodium, no carbs, no nothing. So I really like these. I also like the LaCroix that they have there. But I do love the sparkling drinks, so I picked up 2 of the root beers. They had the other flavors. I just really like the root beer flavor. It's my preference. They had some, I would have gotten some more ginger ale, but they were all the way at the back of they had them in the cooler section. So I didn't want to like have to take them out to get them. But the ginger ale is really good too. It was my favorite. I've seen a ton of people hauling the Bolero stuff, the soaps. It's like their body care line that looks super fancy. And I looked through my entire Dollar Tree, and this is the only thing I found in the whole store that was Bolero. So I got the Bolero hand wash, which I'm super excited about. Let's smell it. I haven't smelled it yet. Does it have a smell? Yeah, it has like a really fresh, light smell to it, so that's good. It's not too overpowering. But I was excited to find this. Just a thing of liquid hand wash. It's argan and shea butter. So I got their bath fizzers a while back, the argan and shea butter, and that was really nice. So I picked this up. These would make really good like teacher gifts, or like if you have somebody you just wanted to give like a nice little gift to. If you got like a basket and maybe like a washcloth and sit it in there, that would be really, really cute for $1. They had this soap a while back, and I wish I would have gotten it when I saw it, because I'm pretty sure they sold out of it. That the packaging just looks really good on this. Like, it looks like something that costs a lot of money, but it doesn't. And it would just be super cute, even if you wanted to put like a little ribbon around it and just put it in a little basket for your kids' teachers, or like if you're in high school for your teacher, get your teachers things. They need things. They like gifts. Get them gifts, especially when they only cost $1. I picked up this. Just a cute little lantern. It's super rustic looking. I thought this was adorable just to put like on the table. I'm gonna see if I can turn it on. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. Let's turn it on. You can see the light in there. How cute is that? It's just got a little like battery powered candle in there. But I thought this would be really, really cute. Also, if you find these and you're like planning a wedding, these will be super cute on your like wedding tables as decor, and they're $1. These lanterns, a lot of people use these big lanterns as decor at their weddings. You can pick them up at TJ Maxx and Marshalls and places like that, but they're going to cost you. You're not going to get any cheaper than $1. And they have the little lights in them too that come with it. Next up, this I thought was super funny, and I'm not really sure what it does. It's an egg cooker. So I'm not really sure how to use it, but I'm going to figure it out, and I'm going to make a video that is just about testing this out, because I'm curious and really interested to see what it does. So make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that when I test out this egg cooker. It says, perfect healthy snack at home or on the go. Poach or scramble in seconds. Recipe guide included. Okay, that's good to know. Simple, safe, no fuss, healthy eating. So we're going to test this out in a different video. Not today. It's going to be a separate video. But I only eat my eggs poached. I mean, I guess I eat them scrambled sometimes, but I really like them poached. And I don't know why. Like, if you don't know, a poached egg is an egg that is cooked in water instead of fried. You cook it in water. And every single time I go to a restaurant, especially if it's like a chain restaurant like IHOP or Cracker Barrel, and I ask for a poached egg, they look at me like I have 2 heads. Like, they have no idea how to poach an egg. So most of the time I don't get poached eggs. I have to get scrambled, and then I don't eat them. So I'll be really interested to see if I can poach an egg in this. So we will check back with this at a later date. So stay tuned for testing the Dollar Tree egg cooker video. I'm going to move into stationery stuff. I did pick up these really cute planner stickers, which I thought were awesome. They've got different things: birthdays, anniversary, appointments, like little smileys and thumbs ups and hearts. The bottom ones say, small steps every day, follow your arrow, have an adventure, and think good thoughts. But I thought these were really cute. It has 300 stickers on it. Oh, and there's more on the back. It has 300 stickers in it for $1, which I thought was awesome, because if you go and try to buy the planner stickers at like a craft store, they retail for like $20 for the books. And you know, sometimes they're like $4, $5 for smaller packs like these. You can use coupons on them, but I thought this was really good for $1 for me to put in my planner. So super excited about that. I picked up these stickers that I thought were really cute. I think they're meant to be like scrapbook stickers, but I'm going to put them in my planner. I thought they were really adorable. They were like beach travel themed, and I hope to get to the beach soon. It is starting, it was warm here last week, and now it's starting to cool off again, but I'm hoping it gets warm soon so I can go to the beach, spring break, you know. I'm ready for it to be, I like summer. I like summer and the beach and warm. I don't like the cold. So I picked these up, put in my planner, trying to will the warm weather here. I picked up some more of these little notebooks that look like this. Let's see. Let me open these up. And I did find the big notebook that these go in. I have it, and I'm going to do a video on it, so stay tuned for that as well. But I picked these up. They come in a pack of 3. They're lined on the inside. That one has like a belt buckle on it. Oh, I think they're meant to be, yeah, they're meant to be like suitcases. So that's a suitcase. That's a suitcase. And then this one is like the passport that has all the little places on it. I thought that was really cute. It's got Las Vegas, New York. That was really adorable. So these will be really cute. In my big notebook, which apparently is called a traveler's notebook, somebody commented on one of my last videos and told me it's called a traveler's notebook. And I found one at Michael's, so I'm going to do a video about all my little notebooks and that later. I also picked up, I found the little succulents. As you saw in the shopping footage, they had a ton of these. I really like this one in the white container, so I grabbed this one. And then they also had little, like, bamboo, which I thought was cute. I haven't seen that one. So I picked up the little bamboo. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these yet. I might use them. Oh, no. I broke it. Just kidding. Just pops back in. I might use them for POSHMARK pictures. But yeah, so I thought these were really cute. They'll look really cute in photos or on the table. Yeah, I was excited to find this one because I haven't seen this one in any videos, which is the little bamboo. I picked up some packing tape because I pick up packing tape almost every time I go there. So, and then my last thing, the last thing, this is eyeliner. It's the Wet n Wild, just black eyeliner. I use this all the time, especially as like a base eyeliner. Like if you want to put this on first and then put your better eyeliner over top of it, it helps it stay. So I try to pick these up whenever I can find them. I like the Wet n Wild brand. A lot of times, like right now, I'm just wearing the Wet n Wild brand by itself. I didn't put anything over it. But it has like a regular one, and then it has a shimmer pencil. The shorter one has a shimmer to it. I'm not really too sure how I feel about that. I don't think it can get in your eyes. I hope it can't get in your eyes. Because you do not want glitter in your eyeballs. So I might look up some reviews on that before I put that on my eyeballs. But I'm definitely using the regular one. But anyways, yeah, so that is my Dollar Tree haul for today. Like I said, I'll be doing video on this little egg cooker thing later. I'm excited to test it out. But yeah, that's my Dollar Tree haul for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love getting comments from you guys. If you found anything exciting at your Dollar Tree lately, please leave me a comment about it. I love talking to you. I love getting to know you guys who are watching me. I'm almost at 1,200 subscribers, which is crazy to me. But yeah, definitely, speak up. And if you, have something you want to see in a video, let me know. A video you want to see, email me, leave me comments, messages. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @thriftingdebutante. I'll put that in the description box below. Also down below are a lot of the products that I use that I get questions on a lot, like frequently asked type thing. So definitely check out the description box. I always put tons of stuff down there. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!